What's going on, everybody? It's Tactical Trash Panda. Once again, to bring you a review of some products. Here we have a G34 slide from Brownells, and this one I've actually built up already. You can get these bone dry from the website and hook them up the way you want, just like I have. Right here, I got representing P80 Ralph right there with the base plate. I believe he still has some of those left. So if you want one, hit him up. But right here, I got some night vision suppressor height sights. I highly recommend these sights. These things glow so bright. I prefer them over Trigicons, to be honest with you. And they come in different colors too. So they have a lot of different options. They have this bright yellow one. They have a white dot. They have red, orange, blue. They might have some other options as well. And I got a Zaffiri Precision match grade barrel in this thing. I just love this thing. And you know, the Holosun HS 507C, the X2 model. Guys, this thing, I can't say enough good things about this. I love this slide. It's got the cut up top, optic ready. Brownells has a few different options on these. This one is the one I prefer. They have the ones with, I believe, serrations on top as well without the cut. They have just your regular OEM style with no optic cut. Um, Everything in this, the slide parts kits, I got this from Brownells as well. So, firing pin, safety plunger, recoil spring, it's all Brownells. Um, Check them out, guys. I got an affiliate link in the bio. I will put that in the link as well. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Just a quick little video.